executive with E86 Limited. That's what I have for you.
So I said earlier, I have a good news for you. And guess what the good news is? It's about advanced Excel. Knowing Excel is one of the major criteria in the job market today. Hardly would you find any business running without the use of spreadsheet package. In order to try and get a better understanding of how Microsoft define advanced Excel, the first place to look is their certification. At E86, we will teach you everything you need to know about the Excel spreadsheets package and the best way to apply them in your field. What are you waiting for when your skills can be needed anywhere in the world?